This is an example of a coil link. I really hate this link because anybody can do it in like 5 minutes. And so it shows literally the least amount of effort necessary to do this bracelet. So when I see people doing this one, I keep thinking, okay, they're kind of slumming it a little bit. So all I'm doing is I'm opening up like a book. I am clipping it, trying to clip it. And then I can cut off any narrow ends. I can cut off the little bits at the very end that are stabby. But then I take it and I literally just kind of take my fingernails, dig in, and pull out one of these wires, one of these ends. You can also do the same thing using flat nose pliers, because flat nose pliers are easy to do. Like this. So you've got one end that has a loop, and you try and make it so that the loop is right in the middle of this rounded area. So the coil is sort of right in the middle. Same thing. And so when you look at it from the side, you're sort of getting a line. Like this top loop and this bottom loop should both sort of be in a straight line. But to connect them, you would just take it and you would just hook this end onto the loop of, the next loop. And then you would take your pliers, you can take the chain nose or the round nose or the flat nose, whatever, and you tuck the end in so that it doesn't get in the way and it doesn't catch on any clothing. So that's a loop. It is the half-ass bracelet. Just gonna tell you right now.